Well, a very good afternoon, folks, and welcome here to Boonah Street, certainly a very central and prominent location here in Springvale, a rarity when it comes to, an investment opportunity, and certainly today we present you that here at number 13 Boonah Street. By way of introduction, my name is Harry Lee. On behalf of our owners and the good team here at iSell Group, it is our pleasure in welcoming you all as participants of the auction for this exquisite investment. Well, folks, I know it is a very, very distinct opportunity and proposition that we do offer you here in this central Springvale pocket. Not often do you get a chance to secure a prime allotment, and that is exactly what we are offering to one of you. I mentioned earlier we are in a residential growth zone. Of course, for some of you will be aware, you're more familiar as the term of residential zone 2, formerly known as that. Certainly, what does that mean? That means there is a whole lot of potential that lies ahead. Not only from a development perspective, we've seen many properties here develop into multi-story dwellings, 2-3 stories, 2, 3, 4 townhouses on similar blocks to ours. That residential growth zoning allows you to conduct such activities, certainly with a lot less restrictions coming from council. Folks, I need to emphasize this. If you miss out on this one today, there's not another one like it on the market right now. With the current location, with the zoning that it's in, certainly at this price point, not many opportunities like this. So be sure to give your all today, do your best to secure your financial future. So without further ado, folks, I turn it over to you. In your hands now, I'm calling for an opening bid here for 13 Boonah Street, Springvale. We shall begin, and name your figure. Where do we say go? Right start, welcome in, good luck. $700,000. We'll kick things off at a neat $700,000, and from here, could I say maybe, I'm in search for 50s on the advance. Could I say 750? Tell you what, we'll move it right along. 750, no hesitations there at $750,000, and sir, mainly against you now, could I say 800,000? At $750,000, look, I know everyone's strategy is just to hold back. Certainly everyone's a little bit daunted by the occasion. A lot of you like to wait until the end of proceedings before making a move. I often find that if you bid actively, if you bid strong, you intimidate others. Certainly you put the pressure on other bidders. That is the advantageous position to be in. At $750,000, could I say 800 now? Well, folks, look, I've given you a fair warning. I'm going to place vendor bids. If you do not bid, I'm going to place a straight vendor bid, $800,000. $800,000. Okay, there we go. Retract the vendor bid then. $800,000 it is. Left-hand side has it at $800,000. Now calling for 50. Could I say 8.5? Well, folks, if you do not bid, I fair warned you already, I'm going to move it along. 850 vendor bid it instead. We'll move it right along. 850,000. Searching for a further 50. Could I say 900 if you will? At $850,000. Now, just remember, your hesitation will only fuel my desire to progress things along and move things forward.
All right, I'll go 860.
860 to take the lead. 860 it is then. $860,000. Moving it forwards by 10s there. 860. Look, I think 20s will be a better strategy. 860 now. Anyone else holding back? This is your time to get in. Well, folks, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go inside, have a quick chat with my owner. I'm going to let them know exactly what is going on right now. If there is no further advance, the likely outcome, we're going to talk with, the young family here one-on-one to help them secure and buy the property. If you are holding back, just remember, you must bid to be in a position to buy. 860 it is. I'll be back with you shortly. All right, folks, thank you so much for your patience here. I've had a really quick chat with our owner. What I can say is our owner is absolutely determined to sell. They do want to, sell the property, highly motivated in wanting to find a new owner. But we're just obviously a bit short from where we believe market value should be. In fact, we're quite a bit short, but we're happy to work with you. When I left proceedings, it was at $860,000. The bid was with you. I'm going to reopen the bidding again for you to take action. Hopefully, one of you can take it up straight to $900,000. So at $860,000, hopefully you did rethink your strategies. Now's your time to take action and certainly put your front foot forward, folks. At $860,000, could I say 900 anywhere? 870, okay, we'll go in 10s. Happy to work with you. 870 it is then. That's your comment. 80 it is now. And 880 and 890 if you like. And 880,000. 880 the league now. Well, I think $900,000 will be a better maneuver. 900 it is. And $900,000, if you heard that, folks, just want to share the news. I won't be vendor bidding at this point onwards, so only two things could happen. If we do not meet our sensible reserve price. Exclusivity will go to the highest bidder only to negotiate with our owner. At $900,000 is the price point at this stage. At a neat 9 now, I'd love to think 910, sir. Anyone else holding back? Just remember, the second auction, I'll take 10 at $900,000. Call it 910 at $900,000. Now searching for 10s on the advance. Just remember, if we do announce it on the market, we're not that far away. Certainly, not only do we sell, but you won't get a second chance. 910, there we go. 910 and 20 if you like, sir. At 20 it is, at $920,000 with the swift counter there. Fresh players with you, sir, but at 920 is the winning bid. At 920 now, 30 if you like, sir. 30. At $930,000, that's the rebuttal then, sir. 40 if you like. At 930 now, could I say 40? Yeah, prime location.
Now we go there.
Sorry?
You put on the market, I'll continue bidding.
Okay, $930,000. I'm going to seek further instructions first. At $930,000, just want to see if there's any further advance there. At $930,000, and sir, instructions from you there. At 930, the winning bid. Searching for that little bit extra. At 930, once, twice. Third and final call at $930,000. I'll ask for your kind patience. Be with you shortly. Okay, thank you so much for your patience. 930, the bid was with you there, sir. Your next bid, and I can announce it on the market. 940, we're on the market. There we go. At $940,000, we sell away, no better bid, folks. We are on the market. We sell no further advance today. We are officially unreserved now on the market and playing for keeps. At $940,000, at $940 at the moment, sir. 50? At 50 it is. There we go, taking it to the next level. At $950, at 50 right now. At $950,000, we sell. At 9.5 against you, sir. Quickly now, at $950,000, at 55, 55, acknowledged away. Well executed at 955 and 60 if you will. At 955 it goes down back against you. Happy to go fives if you like. At 955, at 955, 60. Snatched away 60, 65, 65 and 70 if you like. At $965,000. That is the current leading bid. At 65 now and 70 if you will. At 965, young gentlemen, what do you say? At 65 we do sell. 70, 70, 75. 75 it is then, and 80 if you like. At $975,000 now, could I say 980? 80. 81 it is, back against you, sir. Same offering if you like. 82. 85, good move. 85 it is then. 90 if you like, sir. $985,000. Just remember, we do sell. We are on the market. 90. 990. At $990,000 now. I suggested $1 million earlier, sir. I think that would be a good maneuver. Would you say 1 and 6 norths? 1? 91. 91. At 991. Edging in front. A slight lead there at 995. And 95. $1 million. There we go. We got it anyway. Got there at $8 million. Could I say at least maybe $1.5 million, sir? At 1 and 6 north scale, could I say 1,005? At an $8 million now, we do sell away. No better bid. It goes at $1 million. 1 million and 1. 1,000 past the mill we have now. Well, look, this is prime location. You won't find another like it. Just remember, whatever you choose to invest today, it may seem like a lot. It is a lot of money. But the capital growth that we have seen, that we have experienced, the history,
$1.5 million.
$1.5 million, good move. At $1,005,000 now, raising the stakes there at $1 million and one more thousand, $1 million and 6. At $1 million and 6 now, 10 if you like. At $1 million and $6,000 now, could I say 1.01? At $1 million and $6,000, anyone else holding back, you're more than welcome to join in. At $1 million and $6,000, could I say 10? Going first time. At $1 million and $6,000. Second call at 1,006, 6,000. 7,000 it is then. At 7,010 if you like, sir. 3 to take you to that level. At 1, at 8. At 8. Lucky 8 there. 8. 107. 1.01 you mean? Okay, 1.01, yeah. Confused me a little bit there, Kenny. Alright. $1,010,000. $1 million and 10 it is. 11. A lot of ones there. At 1011. At 11. Past the 1. One more. 12. A dozen we have. 3. 15. At 1,015,000. 16. 1016. Can I say 20? 1,016. Any further from your end? at 1016. We do sell away, no better bid. It goes unreserved. We sell. Thank you so much. You short here at 1,016,000. Once, twice, third and final call. We sell. Sold. Oh. Congratulations.
During our due diligence, Harry was introduced to us as the best auctioneer, and having realised that Harry has been Australian Auctioneer of the Year twice, that's why we felt it was necessary to engage Harry. All along, I must say, Harry has been extremely professional. He's kept my family up to date with everything that's happened. I think he's gone out of his way to keep us informed at all stages, and we appreciate that extremely well. And I'm grateful he's received a figure today that we never thought we'd get, and as a family we're extremely pleased. Thank you.